Hello, my name is Matt Gibbons, and I know what you're thinking. I just need some answers. Well, you can actually head over to our website, joingibbonsgroup.com, and check out our FAQ page, or you can spend about 5 minutes with me here today. All right, so Gibbons Group, we are a remote first agency. We're based out of Ponte Vedra, Florida, and I've been in this business since 2019. And we lead with our core values: integrity, family, service, partnership, respect. How can I forget respect, right? And so we actually have three kids, two dogs, and so having that, you know, having family values is really key to me. All right. My wife, she's our agent success partner. Her name is Tamara, and I'm just blessed to have her. She's been a psychotherapist for about 12 years, so she really helps agents with income anxiety, the emotional aspects of this business, mindset blocks, sales psychology. She does a call every week to help agents. So let's talk about the five things I would like to discuss with you. That's training. We're going to talk about products. We're going to talk about who you sell to. We'll also talk about how you get paid, right? That's important. That was very important for me when I first got started. I was able to make over $299,000 my first full year in this business. Yes, my first full year in this business because I decided to build an agency, and that's the last thing we'll talk about. We have over 9,000 clients in our book of business, and we're really looking to grow. All right, so let's talk about that first one. As far as training, when you come on board with us, we do a daily coaching call every single day that you can plug into. We have different breakout rooms that you can dial into. It's very good resource. I did not have any of that when I first got started. I had a phone script, I had a quick video, and they said, go get him, Tiger. A lot has evolved over the years, which has been good. Sometimes I feel like we have too much training, but we do daily dial sessions. We also we have a 7-step training website. So that way you're not guessing on, really how to run this business. Let's talk about products. Oh, by the way, I will train you personally. All right. So products, we lead with living benefits life insurance. So if you've not heard of that before, listen up because it is a very valuable product. I have insurance on myself, my kids, my wife, my parents, and everyone that I know has living benefits life insurance. All right. It's an insurance product where you don't have to die in order to receive the money. So if you have like a critical illness, a chronic condition, or a terminal illness, you get part of that money while you're living. I had a client, I think it was about 6 months ago. He had a $150,000 term policy and he was able to get 90,000 of his life insurance money. So it didn't have any cash value. He got part of his life insurance money while he was living to be able to retire. I think he got developed cardiomyopathy. Okay. So it's real. We also help people with whole life. We do term, index, universal life, annuities. We also have a program called debt to capital. So anything under the life insurance umbrella, we do it. All right. The clients understand this type of product and they want it. So it's really easy to sell. So let's talk about who we sell to. We typically work with mortgage protection leads. These are people that just bought a house or refinance. So they're looking for a policy that will pay the whole mortgage off if they pass away or get sick. And then sometimes we deal with some older folks that have a mortgage and we can help them protect their equity so it buys their family time in case they get sick, right, or pass away. That way they can make, mortgage payments for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, even a year to protect the equity. All right. So we're not cold calling people. You know, if you're in a business right now where you're cold calling, I feel bad for you. Um, nobody does that stuff anymore. But these are people that raised their hand and said, I want to talk to you, the agent. Let's talk about how you get paid, right? That's important. Commissions. I want to be upfront with this. We are a commission-based only business, right? And you do have to invest in your own leads. We do contract you with top carriers, but I will say we do profit sharing. I gave back over 50,000 of my own money last year in the form of profit sharing to our team. So we have a system where if you do a certain amount of applications a week, we help you get some free leads. So we work with companies like Mutual of Omaha, Transamerica, Foresters, America, some of the top insurance companies, and we have very competitive products and and commissions. All right, so you can actually increase your compensation over 105 in your first 30 days with us. All right. If you work the system. All right. And we also have that agency building opportunity. That's how I was able to make 299,000 my first full year in this business because I decided to build an agency and I decided to sell insurance. I did both of them. All right. So we have two options. You can come in here and just do sales, or you can start building a team and we will help you build your team. I will work for you to help build your agency. All right. I'll make that commitment to you right now. So I've been doing this for almost 8 years, and I found that most people, they don't actually want better comp or different carriers or more leads. What they really want is the results that those can create. So if Tamara and I can help you achieve your goals in the next 30 to 90 days, and all you have to do is follow the system, do all those little details really matter? Or would the outcome be the most important thing? If you're a licensed life insurance agent and you haven't been hitting your goals, if you're tired of not making money and you feel like this might be the right fit, you can text me directly. My cell phone number is 302-362-5232. Let's set up a quick call. You can text me your name. You can say, hey, man, I'm looking to do a quick interview. My time zone is such and such. And we'll get on the phone and we'll set up a time to chat. Hope you guys have a blessed day and take care.